Go ahead. Go ahead.
DA got that dope.
Hey y'all, hey, Jackie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're an old subscriber and if you're a new watcher, then go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead. But today we're gonna be learning how to make your own wrapped bamboo earrings like the one I'm wearing now. And these are the camouflage print. But keep in mind, you can wrap your earrings in whatever print your heart desires. Because you can go to Walmart and they sell fabric by the yard or any crafting store or whatever. You can go and get as much fabric, whatever print you want. It's your world. But yeah, you can wrap hoops too, preferably the thick ones, because when you wrap the skinny ones, it's like, why? Because you can't see the print or anything, and they're like that thin, so that really doesn't make a. Anywho, if you want to learn how to make your own wrapped bamboo earrings, and these are the materials that you're going to need to complete your earrings. You want to get a spool of ribbon about 1 inch thick in width, or you can get your fabric and cut out the inch width. And I always curve my fabric when I cut it because it's easier to maneuver around the earrings. I've been doing this for years, so I know what works best for me. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need your earrings that you're wrapping. You're going to need a clip for drying time, and you're going to need a tube of E6000 glue. The one that's shown is a large, and it runs between $5 and $6, but they also carry the small one that's around $2.99. Whatever you put this glue on, make sure that's what you want to put it on, because this is permanent glue. First, you're going to take your earring. It doesn't matter what side you start on, but I usually start on my right side because I'm right-handed, and it's easier for me to wrap because I'm right-handed. So I do it from my right side. See what I'm talking about? The tube. Don't judge me. But first, you're going to put a small amount of glue at the tip. Then you're going to put it down somewhere it won't ooze out, preferably, because when you push, it keeps pushing. You're going to take your first piece of fabric and you're going to lay it across like so you can get the angle of the earring. You're going to take the ending underneath so you can start wrapping, but on the back you want to make sure that the piece that you have folded over is under the part that you're wrapping. So when you start wrapping, you're going to wrap at an angle like you're twisting your thumb to make sure that you're getting the shape of the earring and not letting the fabric shape the earring. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. So once you get it wrapped good for the first time right here, you're going to take it around and make sure you're kind of pulling it like so you can make sure it's shaping the earring, because you don't want your earring to be the shape of the fabric. You want to shape your fabric to the earring. So once you get it done one good time, you're going to take your glue again. See, it's oozing, but that's a good thing because I was going to use it anyway. But you're going to take it and pretty much put it on the whole earring. Now, these are halves, but if they were whole, you would put it on the back too. It really doesn't matter, but I like to put it on the whole earring to make sure it's sturdy. But you can go ahead and put it on the other side too, but I just work in sections so glue won't get it everywhere. So you're going to take your fabric and you want to keep wrapping. You can use frail stopping lotion, which stops the frills. But I think I'm not going to do that on these because I think that look adds to the fabric and the print that it is camo. So it's kind of rugged, so I'm going to leave it frayed. And you're just gonna keep wrapping, remembering to pull as you go so you can shape it. Like, you see that what's happening here? You're shaping it and it's going to the shape of the earring. You're just gonna continue to do the same thing while holding it. I like to hold mine to make sure, okay, it's still steady. And you're gonna get your glue. Oh, I'm out of the camera. You're gonna get your glue and continue doing what you did at the beginning. You can go ahead and finish and put it all the way to the end because you know you get ready to close it off. And you're gonna just keep doing the same thing until you get to the end of the earring, all while pulling it to make sure that it's taking the shape of the earring, like that. Whatever you put that glue on, you want to make sure that is where you want it because this is permanent glue. And to close it off, you never want to end your piece in the front of the earring. You want to take it all the way to the back and close it off on the back so it doesn't look tacky. So you keep going. Till you can't go anymore. And that's about as far as you can go. And you pull it tight and then angle it like that. And you're going to have a piece left in the back. You're going to put some glue under this part right here. Not a lot. I'm not putting all of that on there. Just enough to hold it because you're going to cut the remainder piece off. So you just want to put enough to hold it on, like so. And pinch it. And this where that clip comes in. So you don't have to hold it. You can put a clip on it for it to dry. And once it dries, you just clip the excess piece off. And there you go. So after I do all of that, I'll bring it back so you can see the finished look. I clip that piece off and I let it dry. What you want to do is, after you put the clips on and everything, you want to let it dry for about no less than an hour. And that took me around at least 20-30 minutes to do. This is the completed look. If you do not have the time nor patience to complete these earrings, they can be purchased on my site at jazzettes.com or jazzettes.storeenvy.com, which would be in the description bar. Some other styles that can be purchased. Custom welcome. Regular orders ship next day excluding weekends. Custom ships in 3 days excluding weekends. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can leave your comments down in the comment section. And if you want to continue to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. But remember to be you, because only you can do it best. I'm telling you, only you can do it best. Till next time, toodles. Disclaimer. I'm gonna need you to put your bird box blinds on, because Flyways is real today. You don't see them.